let me take you through the steps of adding the Platinum lead magnet funnel and using it with your Noomu website. So when you have the template link, you will click it and you will see this screen. Now make sure you log into your existing account, and this is important too. Once you're logged in, it's going to ask you if you want to add it to a new project or you add it to your existing project. You want to choose your existing project. Every project you create will be a different plan. So choose the one you want it to go into. So I'm going to add it to my project. And now I have it completely separate. There's a video here that shows you how to use funnels if you'd like to run through that as well. But here we are. So we've added it to our current site, and it is in a separate funnel. And you can see that by going to My Sites and Funnels, and you could see it's in a funnel. If I want to move it to a website in my project, I can go here, and then that'll incorporate into the website. It'll also use the color schemes and everything like that if you do that. But we're going to work with it as a separate funnel right now. And I'm going to, because I'll keep the whole thing simpler and we'll be able to see what's going on. Let's have a look at the funnel settings. So this is the funnel here. And you also control the stuff you edit the pages up here. But first of all, let's look at the funnel. So you can see it's a quite simple funnel. It's an opt-in page and a thank you and a download page. If you have a product to promote, you could add another step. Maybe you're going to have a promotion for your product here. You might want to have your sales page there, and you can actually set a goal here to make that you want to get the sale, and it will keep track of all that stuff for you. And so here is where the goal is. You can set it as a goal. So the goal is that they end up in this page, right? That means you've got a download. If you go here, you can also do A/B split tests, which means you can add another page. We're not going to work on that right now. That's just a little bit of extra information for you that you can explore at another time. Right now, you probably just want to go in and edit your opt-in page. So in order to edit these items, you want to go back to pages. And now you can see there are the two pages that we can edit, and we are currently on the opt-in page. So just like what we've done is we've put in a totally ready to go opt-in. There, everything is totally set up for you. And that's because we want it to show you, it's like a guideline for even if you use a different product, you can use this as your free download product. Whatever you'd like to do, you can update as you wish. And we've given you the Canva templates, so you can use those as templates too to change it to whatever cover you want, and you have all those options. So in order to make this work as a bare bones thing, say you're going to use this completely as it is, all you need to go is in here. You want to go to your form settings, and it is set to go to the next funnel step, which is the thank you page. And it also has a tag ready for you. If you prefer to change the tag, you can. This will help you keep track of who signs up. But then you would like to go into your message. You probably want to create an automation where you will set up an automated email for anybody who's tagged with this, or they're added to the 12 daily habits list. We do have videos on doing those automations and follow-ups and stuff like that. But for now, let's just talk about this funnel. So it is really ready to go on there. If you want to be notified on each submission, you can have that on, or you can turn that off. And it is pretty much ready to go, except for you have a separate form here. If you change any of the settings above, you will want to change them down here. And so if you're changing the headlines or anything like that, obviously it works just like the Noomu Builder does. And you can drag and drop things around. You can create space in between, more space just by dragging. Super easy to do. Here's a section to have the details about the free gift. There's a space for you to add stuff. You can add your name here, read through this, see if it reflects what you'd like. And there is also, you can change the image to add your own photo or a different type of picture there if you'd like. And all you'd have to do is upload your picture there. There is space for testimonials And as a note, you see the note here that you can delete at any time. You can also hide this if you don't have testimonials now, and it doesn't have to be testimonials for this particular free report because you wouldn't have those yet. If it's people who have appreciated your advice and help, you can certainly put that there and make it clear what they're giving feedback on. And then you can edit the image, you can edit the text, their name, obviously. But if you don't want this right now, you can hide it or you can delete it if completely if you want. So all you do to find stuff to hide is you go to the block and then over here you would just hide it, and you can also hide this one if you prefer. And then nobody will be able to see it except for when you are in the editor. And that's really all you need to do on this page. And we could take a quick peek at the thank you and download page. So here it is. There's a encouraging message here as well. You can also add information about your product. If you don't want this part again, you could go ahead and hide it. You can delete it. You want to put something else there? Absolutely, you can. This is all set for a download. You can see the link is here. It has a file. And in your Platinum downloads, you do have access to the Word document version of this. So if you want to add your branding, change the cover, add your product promotions, you can replace it. But out of the box, it's pretty much ready to go. So I hope that's a good overview. And obviously, you can ask us questions anytime. You do have the comments area in your Platinum membership where you pick this up. You have the Noomu community. We have the EKitHub University community. We are always there to help you out.